Here's the Chicago Hardy fig. I only got one of these. I already have one, but at 25 cents. Let's give it a try. I'm going to open the bag and see what we find. It's hard to tell whether something's alive when it's Bareroot. I mean, it looks kind of dead, right? But you don't really know. That's the thing about Bareroot, you don't really know. So I'm going to give this its own pot because I only have one of them. Just going to soak in this overnight. Fill up a little bit more, fill it up to the top. There, make sure we got all these roots in there. And then, because I have so many plants, I need to make sure I know what it is. So I wrote the tag, Chicago Hardy Fig, and I'm going to make sure to put that beneath the pot. So I'm just going to slide it under. That way tomorrow, when it's time to plant it, I know which one it belongs to. And this little bag, I'm just going to put inside the box. So I will use some of this when I plan to plant tomorrow. There we go. Put the tag. Put this aside for tomorrow. Let's try the next one. The next one is the Rose of Sharon. I've been wishing for Rose of Sharon for a long time, but I just couldn't justify it because it's not giving us any food. But at 25 cents, I bought 5 just to make sure that I'd at least get one out of it that would work. Let's get one of these containers. Same thing. I'm going to open up. We're going to take a look. It looks pretty dead. There's nothing green, but you know what? Don't let it fool you. I have the wild plants that look like this. Look at these. These roots are actually a little springy. I'll put it in. One. Put it back in the container so I know which one it came from. So I'm just going to go with the same type of plant. I do put in a pot tomorrow. To the next one. Also Rose of Sharon. So I'm going to make sure that they go in the same pot, the same water. It's fine, getting in the water, it's fine. I will use it all when I plant them tomorrow. Let's just put this aside, find the Rose of Sharon tag. Flowers. And we got Rose of Sharon. I'm just going to tug it underneath the plant. Next, we're going to check out the Heritage Raspberry. It's supposed to grow in zone 3 to 10. Let's see. Raspberries in Florida don't usually mix. But you know what? We won't know unless you try. 25 cents. Let's give it a shot. I got 4 of this one. See, loosen it up a little bit. Squish the bag. Gently pull it out. Oh, it's a sad little thing. That one might not survive. Give it a try. I might just put some of the ones many of in the same pot, especially if they look sad like that one. Let's see about the other raspberries. If I'm having a bit of luck. This one you can't even see. It was really hard to, can't even see it sticking out of the bag. It was really hard to see in the store. I was rushing and I was shopping quickly. I was grabbing what I thought might do well. I did not get to do any research. I've done research on these plants before when I stood there and looked at them, but I don't know, this one does not look happy. Does not look happy. Well, let's see. It sure has a better root system than the other one. Let's see. Well, put it in the water. See what? Only time will tell. Call me an optimist. At 25 cents, I will be enough. Let's just check the rest of these raspberries. I know some of you have told me to expect dead plants, and Honestly, when I was in the store taking out these plants, I was expecting that plants. Oh, decent root system. Just plug in the water. And with Bareroot, you just never know. But Bareroot is cheaper. And clearance plants, especially, well, let's just put it this way. Clearance plants are my kind of budget. Okay, this is the last raspberry. Let's see if we have any luck. With 2 of them. Oh, no. Oops. Come on. It's definitely not going to survive. I think we could declare this one dead. We'll put this aside. And to see if there's anything in here. I can knock it out on. Smell around this lid just to see. I'll move this one over here. So these and raspberry tag. I do not want to mix these up. Raspberry heritage. There we go. Let's just put them underneath. Alright, let's pour this out. Let's see if there's anything else hiding in here. Not really. Not really. Yeah, this is why you always see dirty nails on my videos. Because I forget to wear gloves. Well, here's the root, but you know what, this one feels very soft. I think it's a dead one, but I'm going to put in water and we'll see. Yeah, the raspberries, they don't look very happy. Let's save the soil somewhere. Next, we have 2 of my wild cards. I knew this was going to be a long shot, the Nanking cherry. It's, according to the box, I didn't even look at the box when I was in the store, but I had the feeling, and I kind of remember that it was not in our grocery, but I just grabbed it anyway. 2 to 7, yeah, it's not going to survive in zone 9. And the root, I don't know, it looks dry. We'll try it. We'll put it in here. See if we can find a tag. That is one thing I have learned when growing many plants. Always put tags on your plants because you might think you remember, but you will not remember. Alright, we're putting that underneath. I'm putting it aside. And then there's the gooseberry. I grew up eating gooseberries and I love that kind of tart, sour taste of them. Sweet, a little hint of sweetness, but it says zone 3 to 8 and I think that's correct. They probably won't survive here, but you know what? A girl can dream. So, this is in honor of my childhood, growing up on a farm, picking my own gooseberries. Let's give it a try. Let's see what they look like after having been stored inside the store since the fall. And it doesn't look too happy, but you know what? It looks very dry. Let's give it a shot. Put in water. See what happens. Let's give the other one a try. Let's see. Let's just think about having room for things. And the employees were warning me that, oh, you know what, the reason why we're clearancing them is because some of them are looking too good. And I assured them that I had that knowledge already. But I was going to go home and make an experiment. So this is what it is, an experiment. The root looks okay, but the stick feels very dry. I'm going to try to do a follow-up video in a couple of months. Maybe I'll tell all of you that everything died. But my goal is to get 10 plants that are thriving. Oh, these roots actually look very well. Maybe I'll ship it to New Jersey. Well, can't really take it across state line, can we? But on to the blueberries. You all know we love blueberries. at the Dancing Tom farm. Oh, we love our blueberries. So these, well, the legacy one says sown 5 to 8. So that might be a wild card. I didn't even look at that one. Uh-oh. I'm being called. The little ones like to plant with us. But because we have so many plants to go through, and I don't want to mix anything up, I'm doing this by myself, not even hubby. But he did go and get some soil for me. Let me show you. He went to the land and got several containers of wood chips and composted soil, and then we have compost from the chickens here we can use too, but that's for tomorrow. So the blueberries, this one, the silver dollar, says sown 5 to 10. The blueberry buckle says 6 to 10, and then of course the legacy, it says 5 to 8, and I kind of have the feeling it's a no-go, but I'm gonna try. I'm not familiar with these blueberry varieties, so I'm not even sure. You can see that he used to cost $10.99 and $8.99, and I would never buy them at a price if I didn't know they would succeed here. These are not varieties that we already grow, which is why I picked them up. Who knows? I've had luck with other blueberries from Tractor Supply purchased on clearance. So let's take a look. Alright, let's give a look. Alright, let's take a look at this blueberry buckle, bushel and berry. Blueberry. Let's take a look. Squeezing up the bag a little bit. Loosen it up so it can come out easy without us ruining anything. Let's see. It's been going in a plug. I'll just put a plug in there, entire plug in there. It looks dried out. I'm not confident in that one. And we got 2 more of the blueberry buckle. Ooh, this one doesn't feel good. Ooh, there, I just pulled them off. Bad, plant lover. Don't pull it out. Tell me in the comments, please. Now, I would like to know how many of the 44 plants do you guys actually think are alive? As I said, I'm hoping for 10, but of course I'd love for more to survive, but 10 plants for $11. I'm not the best at math, but what's that? $1.10. Correct me if I'm wrong. Hubby is the math teacher, not me. Let's take a look at this one. It's very dry. Still in the plug. We'll just put it in there. And again, save the soil. And find the tag. Blueberry buckle. There's it. Oh, it's hard to read my own handwriting sometimes. Blueberry buckle. Alright, here it is. That's the blueberry buckle. Let's put it underneath and push it out of the way. So another question for all of you. If it was you in the store and you had all these plants at 25 cents a piece, how many would you have bought? And let's just say that you're in a rush like I was. This is the blueberry silver dollar. Let's get a yogurt container for that one. We reuse everything we can. So how many plants, if it was you,